good morning. Thank you for jumping on. So this morning I decided to fuel myself with a nice meal, nice breakfast. Because you know why, guys? Your body belongs to you. My body belongs to me. I need to look good for myself. It is very important, guys. So this is what I prepared this morning for my breakfast. We have protein shake. If you want, you can test it. Give it a try. If you don't test, you won't know. So this is what I prepared this morning. In here, I have my protein shake that is very good, rich in protein, rich in iron, and you have all the vitamins in there. To help you to clean yourself from inside to outside. That will also help you to maintain your weight. For me, I don't want to get fat anymore. I want to be okay with myself. I love my body. Guys, it is very important. It is, some people will say, I'm too busy, I don't have time. It is very important to have time for us, for ourselves. I know what I'm talking about. You have family, you have friends. Go out with your friends sometimes, with your family, but have time. Create a space for yourself to connect with yourself. To give your body what your body deserves. That peace is very important. I'm telling you guys. So please, love your body and take care of yourself. My beautiful women out there, summer will soon be around the corner. There will be no more winter jacket to cover up. So if you want to have that beautiful and sexy body this summer, you want to get rid of that belly fat, hanch fat, all those side fat. You want to be okay with yourself. There's nothing like when you are okay with yourself, when you go out, you feel free with your body. For me, I know what I'm talking about. I know sometimes some of you will be laughing at me. Watch it. I know what I'm talking about. I was in a position before I was deceiving myself. So we have what is there to help you to get back your self-confidence. We have this Bona 360 to get rid of belly fat. If you have big tummy, and we have our protein shake, just go to the link. We have different type of products for well-being. We have from inside to outside. We also have cream. If you want to take care of your natural color, your skin, you want to have that nice skin. You see, I'm not, this morning I didn't really dress because I'm going out for my workout. I just want to take a walk this morning. Then just visit my link, guys. This product I'm selling, I've used it. I use it. This is what look, it's in here. You see, it's here. I will share a video. I did a video how I prepare my breakfast. Sorry, I will share the video later. So I need to go out for my workout, so I will take care of that later. How I prepare this, what I have in here. So I did a video of it. If you want to try, you can give it a try. It's very nice. Try to maintain yourself. I know a lot of us, we privilege clothes, nice dress, nice house, big cars. It's good though. For me, I love good things. But you have to remember one thing. If you don't have that good health, you are not going to enjoy life. If you don't have that good health, you are not going to enjoy that car. If you don't have that good health, you are not going to enjoy that house. If you don't have that good health, you are not going to put on those nice shoes and bags. Everything will remain inside your dressing there, inside your wardrobe. For me, I love to look good. There was a time I would buy a heel, shoes. I cannot put it on. You know why? Because I was overweight and I was having pain on my knees. So I couldn't put on the shoes again. Everything was in my wardrobe. So you have to privilege your health first. You have to privilege your well-being first. It's not only buying all those products, all those stuff of a thing, taking it every day. Go for a workout. Exercise yourself. Work it out. It is very helpful, guys. It is good for your moral. It is good for your system. It is good for your body. It is good for your well-being. Create a space for yourself. Go out for a walk. Take a walk. Connect with yourself. We have a lot of things that is very simple to do to have that inner peace that we deserve. Everybody deserves inner peace. If you don't have inner peace, you don't enjoy life because you'll be stressing. You stress, you nag, you complain. That is That is very bad. Have time for yourself. Create a space for yourself. Please. Life is sweet for me, I want to enjoy life. Life is sweet and fantastic. Try to, have a time for, have space on your own time. Your own space for you to be, I have children. I have 2 daughters. I have my husband. I have friends. I have family. Sometimes when the problem will come, you will not even see them again. Rate it first. Please. Love your body. Take care of yourself. That good health is the most important thing that we can give to ourselves. So if you want to see more about our products, our well-being products, you can go for the link. So I will share a video how I prepared this breakfast this morning so that you can, try it at home if you want. It's very easy. It's very easy. So please, my people, my ladies, my beautiful mommies out there, you do for yourself. It is only when you are okay with yourself, only when you love your body, you can give love to others. If you don't love yourself, you say you love other people, you are a liar. It's not true. What you cannot experience by yourself, you cannot be capable of giving it to others. Please, love your body, take care of yourself, look good for yourself. Anything that you know that bring happiness, go for it. Have fun, because this life, we are all just touch and leave. So the more you take care of yourself, the more you have that long life. And have in here the most important one, be beautiful from inside. Have good heart. So thank you for the love. Be very beautiful from in here. So just live simple. Appreciate what God gives to you. Go for exercise. Just be like a child. Everything you see, you say, wow. Live simple, live calm, connect. That is why it's all the time on my live video I talk about connecting with. A lot of people don't know themselves. Because you know why? They are always here and there with people. They don't even have a little space on their own to connect with their self. To, being in a quiet and a silent place. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the light. Being in a quiet and a silent place brings inner peace. Inner peace. You mortal, everything will be, perfect. Please, create a space for yourself. Have time for yourself. Look good for yourself. For me, I take care of myself. I'm not doing it because of my husband. It is for me. Because now when I dress up and when I look at myself in the mirror, I love my body. I appreciate myself. Please. So guys, that is all for this morning. I need to, fill my body with this nice and delicious breakfast. You see, I create time for myself now. Before I will be running up and down. You see, this one. That time I have it. I say this is for me and it's for me. You saying no doesn't make you a bad person. You say this is what I want doesn't make you a bad person. You have to understand that. Please. So have a beautiful day. See you guys next time. Don't forget you can visit my web shop if you want to see the kind of product we have. So if you want more information, so ladies, don't forget your fat burner, your protein shake to replace your meal. We have nice cream, nice perfume, nice jewelries, different things on my web shop. So you can order from your sister if you want. So have a beautiful day. Don't forget, get your summer body ready. Summer will soon be around the corner. Bye-bye.